Hi, it's Gretchen Dixon, Product Specialist at SOLABS. I'm sure that many of you have external consultants or partners that occasionally need to review or approve a document for you or act on a process task. And probably you'd like to assign training to them before they do that. I'd like to show you today how you can use the external account type for that purpose. I'm going to log in now as a user that I set up with an external account type. Roxana Burns. You see she has some things to act on. If I click Outstanding, you'll see that she's also got some training due for those things. Let's look at the account setup for Roxana. She has an account type of external, a login type of database, and other than that, she's set up pretty much the same. What I did is I did create a function role called External Consultant. That way, that function role can be used for a review or approval cycle. Training can be linked to that role, and it will also be chosen as part of a process task. So that will be part of the electronic signature. It will be her name and External Consultant. I also assigned her the process role of CAPA reviewer because that's the process task I would like her to act on. So let's go back to our home page, and I'd like to point out a couple of other things. Because I gave her the external account type, the search field over here is grayed out. She cannot search for any documents at your company that you have not given her access to. Up here, she cannot use the main search field either. So she can only get to the documents that you give her. You do need to remember, if you need her to review or approve a document, you need to give her review, approve privileges to the folder that the document resides in. And similarly, if you do give her training to do, be sure that she has read-only privilege level on the folder that any training documents reside in. So other than that, she can act on these tasks. She gets email notifications. So for CAPA plan acceptance, she can go in and act on that task just like any employee can. So she'll go ahead and she can put some comments if she needs to. And of course, you would have told her how to log into the system, perhaps using some of the training materials in the knowledge base, like how to log on or the overview, the 5.5-minute video we have on the overview. So she's going to approve this CAPA plan acceptance and go ahead and submit it and confirm. And now this will move to the next person in the process, CAPA plan QA evaluation and acceptance. Similarly, she is able to act on review and approval tasks, so she has a document here for review. Like all your employees, she could provide comments on the document if she needed to. She can see the change summary, and when she's ready, she can provide her feedback. Find her name here as the external consultant, submit her decision, and confirm her decision. She also has a document to approve, and again, she will be able to open that document if you remember to give her review approve privileges for the folder that that document resides in. And now she can make her approval decision. And confirm that decision. And lastly, you may have given her some training that you'd like her to complete for doing these tasks. So if I click on Outstanding, since the trainings don't have any due dates, she can confirm her training. She has to open the document, so we need to be sure she has read-only privileges. And then she's able to sign off on her training. So I hope that helped you see how you can use the external account type to limit what external parties see, but easily allow them to act on anything that you need them to within SOLABS QM for you. Thanks.